And the eggs are not burning. Probably last us 2 days, maybe 3. So this much wood ran the rocket cooktop for about 45 minutes and boiled a half gallon of water, made a soup, and sauteed some delicious zucchini and garlic. Pretty much instantly we're up to 200 degrees at the hot burner, 230. About 10 minutes in and the burner is at 550 degrees. The inside of my cast iron is at 350. Seems to be a really pleasant heat for sweating these vegetables. Using a vacuum-insulated thermos allows us to have hot water for dishes and tea hours after the fire has died out. I'm optimizing the use of the cooking wood by cooking breakfast and lunch at the same time. You do have some strong variability in the temperatures at the cooking surface. So using a pot that has a thick bottom, such as these cast irons, helps to mitigate that variability by absorbing and radiating some of that heat to the food. Temperature of the cooktop underneath the water boiler is 700 degrees, 737. And then you come around the corner, you've got around 600 degrees. All the way over to where the onions are. Doing their saute thing. 300 degrees. 300 degrees at the burner. Pretty good temperature for like a low saute. And we're boiling water.
If you like this sort of thing, come on out to the forums at permies.com, where we talk about rocket cooktops, homesteading, and permaculture all the time.